Today we're talking about my 2025 pick for composite fiberglass windows. Which one is it? Hey, my favorite is the Infinity from Marvin window. If you're going to consider a composite window or a fiberglass window, if you're not going to go with vinyl or you're not going to go with wood or aluminum, in my opinion, this is the best window on the market. In fact, this is the window I put in my own home. I had some wood windows that began to rot, and so I needed a window that looked like wood, but it didn't rot. It is one of the strongest products out there. You say, Jeff, strong. Why do I need it to be strong? Well, here's why. Some material products, they look great on day one, but they don't look so great on year 5 or year 10 or year 15 because they sit in the sun and the sun begins to deteriorate them and they're not strong and straight and rigid like they were when your windows were first put in. In fact, I like to say that all windows are great windows if they're done right on day one. The real test between a good window and a great window is year 5, year 10, year 15. And when we think about that, we think about fiberglass. So I like to think of it as being future-proof. If you went today with, for example, this black door or this black window, because we know black windows are really popular, and in 10 years from now you said, I don't think I like that black look anymore. I want to go with a different color. You can just repaint this window. And that's something you can't do with vinyl. That's something you really can't do with aluminum. Any other product is going to be very difficult to paint and expect it to last. So I like the fact that this is paintable and that you can repaint it and you can change your mind just like you would on a wood window. Now, just so you know, one of the benefits to a product like this too is with its rigidity, with its strength, is its performance when it comes to air leakage ratings. This is one of the best performing air leakage rating products out there. In fact, this window right here, that is an operable window, this window has such great weather stripping that the government standards for an Energy Star rated window are 0.030 of CFMs of air infiltration. 030, okay? This is actually a 0.001, meaning that instead of a 30, it's a 1. That's how much better it outperforms the actual requirements to meet the standard for Energy Star rated windows. This is a great window, and I think you're really going to enjoy how this looks. So they make sliding doors, they make swinging doors, they make round windows, rectangular windows, polygons, hexagons. Just about anything you want for your home can be done in this really fabulous product from Infinity. I hope you like it. I like it a lot. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a great window company near you, please look at my website, thewindowexperts.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give me your comments down below. We'll talk to you again real soon.